Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today I had a fun one. This is going to be me talking to an AI about VPN. Is it going to be right in my opinion? Is it going to know anything? We're going to find that out in this video. Hey guys, if you like what I do here on the channel by reviewing VPNs as objectively as possible without any need for VPN sponsorships, consider supporting the channel by checking out Secret Labs. My favorite thing about the chair is the backrest, but it also has other cool features like a super comfortable pillow, adjustable lumbar support that's super fun to control. Not only that, but the pieces and individual parts are very high quality. I bought this chair with my own money, and since then I've been using it in every single video. I think it's an amazing company that makes really good chairs, and if you click on the link in the description down below, you should be able to get the best current deal going on with Secret Labs. And not only that, it'll also help support the channel. If you guys do decide to get a Secret Labs chair, come over to my Discord, which you will also find in the description down below. Post a picture of your setup and your cool chair, and I'll be sure to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. Anyways, guys, back to the video. All right, guys, so today I'm going to be using OpenAI Playground. This is an AI that is sort of like an assistant or a chatbot. And basically what it does, let me fix that a little bit. Basically what it does is it's kind of like an AI that will answer questions. So let's go ahead and ask it some VPN questions. First off, I've already kind of played with it a little bit, and I thought one of the most interesting things, one of the coolest things, is that I asked it what the best VPN was. If we go on my tier list, we could see some of my best VPNs. Now, my VPNs are rated with my tier list system. Next year, 4.0 is coming out. Stay tuned for that. So we're going to see which one it says this one is. Let us see. What is the best VPN? So now you hit submit. And now it says. So interesting. The answer is kind of different than last time. I'm not sure exactly why. The first time I asked it, it actually said Torguard was the best VPN. I'm gonna put that on the description, the screen right now. I'm not sure why it changed its answer. Maybe it does kind of start changing its answer based on how you talk to it. Basically though, it says that depends on your needs. It's important to choose a VPN based on what you need out of it. Common factors includes privacy, speed, reliability, and connection flexibility. If none of these are concerned, a free VPN might be adequate. However, if a privacy and security are of concern, then a paid option with comprehensive features is recommended. And that's a pretty good answer. I like it. Let's see here. Which is better, Nordvpn or Surfshark? I think this would be an interesting question because these two products are very, very similar. In fact, they're owned by the same holding company, and they do a lot of the similar things. If we look at my tier list itself, we can look here, and you'll see that Surfshark and Surfshark and Nord are very similar. There's minute differences, but let's see what the AI says. Okay, which is better, Nord or Surfshark? Let's see. It really depends on your needs. Nordvpn is known for its great security, while Surfshark offers a wide range of features at an affordable price. It is best to read reviews from trusted sources. Thank you, AI. So I would kind of agree with this. Surfshark is a little bit more budget friendly, while Nord does have a couple more features, I think. So overall, not a bad answer. What are the cons of Torguard VPN? Now I asked it this before, and the answer was interesting because it gave me pretty much an answer that I absolutely 100% disagreed with. In fact, some of my pros for Torguard it listed as cons, which is interesting and goes to show you that some of this scraping it does probably for reviews is complete crap. So let's see what it says. We got to hit submit. So it will say, Torguard has a few drawbacks that should take it into account. It does not have the same level of encryption as its competitors, which makes it less secure. Additionally, it can be slow to its large network and large number of servers. Finally, some have reported difficulty using the software. So I don't really agree with that. The encryption is fine. AES 256 is pretty much standard. I know some VPNs have a little bit more like a little bit of different encryption nowadays, but overall AES 256 mathematically it can't really be cracked, so it's not really anything above that. You know, we go into things like multi-hop, double VPN, Tor over VPN. A lot of those things are gimmicky and just kill your speeds. So I don't think the security for Torguard is really a problem. Also, Torguard is actually one of the fastest VPNs, and it it doesn't have the biggest network, but it does optimize its users per servers, which means it gets really good speeds. So that's interesting. In terms of the difficulty using software, I don't think the software is difficult to use necessarily, but sometimes on PC there is a little bit more, it takes a little bit longer to connect than some other VPNs, but on mobile devices, it works perfectly fine. I talked to Torguard about that actually, and they said it's just kind of the way the app connects, and they think that while other apps might connect a little quicker, Torguard's connection is more reliable and it connects in more places, especially with difficult firewalls. So that's kind of interesting to see. Let's go ahead and ask it what the cons of Nordvpn are. This one would be interesting because there's so much positive information about Nordvpn on the internet due to a lot of reviewers being paid very well to promote it. What are the cons of Nordvpn? Let's see what it says. The major drawbacks of Nord are that it can be expensive. It's not as user-friendly. I would say it is expensive, but I think it is pretty user-friendly, so I'm not sure I agree there. Additionally, Nord has issue with its past with servers going down, which can make connections unreliable. It also doesn't offer as many features as other VPNs, such as kill switches or split tunnelings. That is false. Nordvpn does have kill switches and split tunneling. So it's interesting to see these answers from this AI. Sometimes they do get things right, like with our first answer here, saying that Surfshark is a little bit more affordable. And the main answer itself was pretty decent on choosing a VPN. But also, let's see what it says now. What is the best VPN? Let's see if it says the same thing or has changed its answer a little bit. This time it gave it a more nuanced answer, saying if you want P2P to support or double hop encryption. It's kind of an interesting answer too. So overall, pretty cool little feature here from this AI. Let's go ahead and try out another one. This one will be a sarcastic one. What is the best VPN? Let's see what it says. The best VPN, some of the most popular VPNs include, okay, so it kind of listed out some of the other ones. Where do I type? Who is Tom Spark Reviews? Let's see if it knows. Okay, it just kind of like pulled an answer. Tom Spark Reviews is a website and YouTube channel that provides reviews of consumer electronics, gadgets, and other tech product. The reviews are written and presented by Tom Spark, a tech enthusiast who's been reviewing products since 2011. I don't think I remember reviewing them that long. I was still in college, actually, getting my degree in 2011. So that's kind of an interesting answer. Not sure why I said that. Let's go ahead and talk to the chat one again. This one maybe is a little better. Let's say, who is Tom Spark Reviews? And see what it says. It's thinking. Tom Spark Reviews is a website dedicated to providing honest and unbiased reviews of the latest technology product. The site also offers product comparison, buying guides, user experience, and other technology resources. Pretty good. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this video. There's a lot of cool little tools here you could try. It's openai.com. Different little tools here, and you can even make your own application, which is interesting. So yeah, check that out, guys, if you're interested. Thanks for checking out this video, and if you want to help support the channel, let me know down in the comment down below what your favorite thing about this video was, or check out some of my links in the description. Anyways, guys, see you again very soon.